Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing look number 2 with you using the BH Cosmetics Passion in Paris palette. Absolutely stunning color story, creamy eyeshadows, super pigmented, blend astonishingly well together. I do have my own Maniology code and there it was on the screen. Check Maniology out for all your stamping needs and use my code at checkout. It really does help a lot and it gives you 10% off. So let's get started. I have the WetnWild eyeshadow primer and the Coty Airspun powder under my eyes to catch fallout. So once that's done, we're going to jump right into the eyeshadow portion. These shade names are in French. I cannot speak French, so I won't be saying the shade names, but I'm taking this beautiful burgundy wine matte shade in the palette, and I am using a stubby crease brush for this, or a more dense kind of pencil style crease brush for this, and I'm going to be patting that and pressing that in my outer corner and my crease area. If you kind of sweep this shade, it's going to create more fallout, and not only more fallout, but it will probably drag across the lid. So this shade here, Notre Dame, I can totally pronounce, but this is a pinky mauve shade, a matte shade. I'm using that against this dark burgundy shade here, and I'm using that as a blending transition shade, and I'm just going to work upon this for a minute, building it up, blending it out. And anytime you see me bring my brush up and tap off, I applying more shade. This is a beautiful shimmery red shade in the palette. I'm just using a flat shader brush to apply this to my lid. And I love how this look turned out. I really wanted a look that makes my green eyes pop, and I think I achieved it. And it's kind of like a late Valentine's Day look as well, because I filmed this pretty close around Valentine's Day, but I'm just now getting a chance to voice over. And I'm going to be blending all these shades together. They always blend very nicely. They're in the same color story, kind of color family, so they blend pretty easily into one another. This palette is stunning. I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette for like brow bone and stuff like that, lightest matte shade I should say, and I'm highlighting my brow bone with this shade. I also apparently forgot to add the shimmery white to the brow bone too, because it is on one eye and not the other. A flub. But no, luckily I did notice it after I filmed, so I just applied it, and you know, it is what it is. I'm taking the burgundy shade to my lower lash line. I'm really going to be working that in, and I do enjoy how this look turns out, so you definitely stay tuned for more looks using this Passion in Paris palette, because I am so in love with this palette. It's so nice. And that's a Maybelline eyeshadow. It's just like a silver glittery shade. I'm spraying my brush with the Eyestudio setting spray and applying that in the inner corner. I have a project pan going on and will be linked in the cards. This is a hard candy liquid liner. It's supposed to be a glitter liner, but honestly it's more metallic than anything, and it's kind of like a silvery shade, or a gunmetal shade. I think it complemented this look pretty well. That eyeliner is from LaColors Midnight Black. This eyeliner is from Maybelline, and it's in, I want to say like terracotta, something along the lines of that. It's a matte red. And then I have the, or it might be called Rust, I don't know. This is the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. For lips, I just did Rimmel Kate lipstick in number 45. I'm not sure if they even make these anymore, but very beautiful nude shade. That's the finished look, the finished eyes, finished everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The earrings are from Shop Miss A, I believe. So definitely check out my BH Cosmetics playlist, linked in the cards, possibly in the description. Always check the description for additional links as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the look. We'll try it out for yourselves, and stay tuned for more looks using the BH Cosmetics Passion in the Paris. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.